Hi, I'm Cyan, your Cybercast AI host. This is your daily cybersecurity intel for May 22nd, 2025. For at least the past 8 months, threat actors have been distributing trojanized versions of the KeePass password manager to install Cobalt Strike beacons, steal credentials, and ultimately deploy ransomware on compromised networks. The threat intelligence team at WithSecure uncovered this campaign while probing a ransomware attack that originated from a malicious KeePass installer advertised on Bing, which directed users to fraudulent software sites. The attackers altered the open-source KeePass code to create a trojanized variant known as KeeLoader. This version retains standard password management functions, but has been modified to install a Cobalt Strike beacon and export the KeePass password database in plaintext. The Cobalt Strike watermarks used in this operation are linked to an initial access broker believed to be connected to Black Basta ransomware attacks. Several variants of KeeLoader, signed with legitimate certificates, have been identified and distributed via typo-squatting domains such as keeppaswrd.com, keegass.com, and keepass.me. Researchers have confirmed that the keeppaswrd.com website remains active, continuing to distribute the trojanized KeePass installer. This trojanized KeePass application incorporates password stealing capabilities, exporting credentials in CSV format stored as .kp files under the local app data directory. The attack investigated by WithSecure led to ransomware encrypting the victim's VMware SC servers. Further investigations uncovered substantial infrastructure that distributes malicious programs disguised as legitimate tools, as well as phishing pages designed to steal credentials, featuring domains that impersonate well-known companies and services. WithSecure assigns moderate confidence to attributing this activity to UNC4696, a threat actor group previously linked to nitrogen loader campaigns and associated with Black Cat ALPHV ransomware. Also, in today's cybersecurity intelligence briefing, Microsoft's analysis of LumaStealer, a sophisticated malware-as-a-service solution, uncovers its extensive features and evolving delivery methods. Created by the threat actor Storm2477, LumaStealer has been utilized by several cybercriminal groups, including ransomware operators like Octotempest, to extract sensitive information from compromised systems. From March to May 2025, more than 394,000 Windows computers worldwide fell victim to this malware. LumaStealer employs various infection tactics, such as phishing emails that masquerade as trusted brands, malvertising campaigns targeting software-related queries, drive-by downloads from breached websites, and trojanized applications shared via file-sharing platforms. Additionally, it exploits legitimate services like GitHub and utilizes deceptive methods, including fake CAPTCHA pages, to deceive users into executing harmful commands. The core of the malware is obfuscated using advanced techniques, complicating detection and analysis. When deployed, LumaStealer targets a wide range of data, such as browser credentials, cryptocurrency wallets, VPN settings, email and FTP client information, user documents, and system metadata. Its command and control infrastructure is reliable and adaptable, employing hard-coded C2s, Telegram channels, and Steam profiles, all concealed behind services like Cloudflare to avoid detection. Communication with C2 servers is encrypted, and the malware's configuration allows for dynamic updates to its data collection routines. In reaction to the threat presented by LumaStealer, Microsoft, in partnership with international law enforcement, has engaged in significant disruption efforts. Legal actions have resulted in the takedown of approximately 300 malicious domains and redirected over 300 websites to Microsoft-controlled sinkholes. The U.S. Department of Justice has also seized crucial components of Luma's infrastructure, including its central command servers. That's your daily cybersecurity intel for May 22nd, 2025. Thanks for tuning in to the Cybercast.